Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year, Happy 2018. I really hope this year brings you lots of joy and I hope you set yourself some goals and you will be able to achieve them this year. Now I know it's been a super long time since I posted something. Sometimes people go through things in life that really prevent them from spending extra time on things such as creating content such as this. Anyways, we're not here to talk about that today. Today, I'm going to talk about the new BareMinerals Made to Fit Customized Matched Foundation. This was sent to me by BareMinerals and I wanted to do the unboxing on camera so you guys can see exactly how it looks. And I always forget my scissors. Do I need scissors for this? I don't think I need scissors for this. I'm just gonna try to break it. Okay, can't break it. Okay, I have this little thing. Oh, I hope it doesn't fall out, but it looks like this. Ooh, how nice. It's supposed to say my name on it. Does it have my name on it? It does. Okay, so before we try this on, let's talk about this product for a little bit. Now, this retails for $49.99 and you're getting 1 fluid ounce. So on the website it reads, made to fit fresh face foundation is perfect for all skin types and provides a naturally radiant finish with sheer to medium coverage. The weightless formula contains nourishing and antioxidant ingredients, including green tea extract, vitamin E, and peptides, as well as ceramide, chamomile, and white lily flower for an instantly younger looking more beautiful you. So they talk about this product as being the future of foundation. So the way that they matched me is I had to download their Made to Fit app. I don't know if you've ever been to Sephora and got like color matched with their little machine, but that's pretty much how they made your phone, what they made your phone to be. So I had to put my phone to like a white paper just to ensure that it was coming out as white, and then after that I had to put it above my right eyebrow, my left eyebrow, on my cheekbones, and then right on my jawline. So based on those results is what they sent me, and this is supposed to be my perfect match. So based on how well this shade matches my skin color, I will be able to let you know how accurate their app is. Okay, so it has a little pump right here. Do you guys see my name? That's so cute. Can you see it? I'm going to put a little bit of the NARS on my hand just to compare it to the BareMinerals here. I'm going to shake it up here. It's going to take a couple pumps before it actually comes out, and I think here it comes. Oh, okay. Okay, so this shade right here is my NARS foundation, and this shade right here is the BareMinerals Made to Fit foundation. As you can see, it is a little darker than my NARS foundation. So I guess we'll see how this goes. Okay, so right now I have nothing on my face. Like I start every video, the only thing I have done are my eyebrows because it takes me forever to do my eyebrows on camera, and I think you guys just want to get down to the nitty gritty. So before I put on foundation, I'm going to put on my prep spray. Okay, so I'm just going to spray this all over my face. So I'm going to prime my face with Benefit's Porefessional Matte Rescue, and I'm choosing this primer only because this foundation doesn't say it's a matte coverage, it just says sheer to medium coverage, and I have a really super oily skin, so it's really important for me to maintain my matte looks. Alright, so I'm just going to shake it up, and then I'm going to do 1 pump for now. A lot kind of came out. Okay, so I'm going to be looking for 3 things. 1 is coverage buildable, 2, does it match my skin tone, and 3, does it oxidize? So let's try this out. I'm gonna put this on with my beauty blender. Okay, so I would have put a little bit more, but I can already tell that it is oxidizing just a little bit. I hope it doesn't oxidize any more than what it has already as it's set in, because as you can tell, this is not really my color, so you can kind of tell with like my neck. This foundation is kind of just like a warmer undertone when I have more of a yellow undertone, if that makes any sense. I'm also going to go ahead and put on the rest of my face so you guys can see the whole idea of this, and I'll go ahead and sign my final thoughts. Okay, so now that I have my full face on, I can go ahead and share my final thoughts with this BareMinerals Made to Fit Match Foundation. I did like the formula. It does feel very weightless. It does feel very natural. It feels very fresh. I like all the minerals that is included in it, and you know, BareMinerals is known for having really, really good formulas for the skin. This product did oxidize a very, very, very tiny bit. So compared with my foundation that oxidizes the most, is probably the Fenty Beauty one. This one oxidizes a little bit less than that, which is awesome. My only critique is that I probably would not have chosen this shade for me. It's a little too dark. I did put a little bit of powder on my face to just kind of lighten it up a little bit, but I do really think that this formula is great for my skin. I would absolutely recommend this to anybody that is a huge BareMinerals fan, or to anybody that is just looking for a different kind of formula and has problems finding, you know, their match. I do want to thank BareMinerals as well as Influenster, who did send me this exclusively formulated for myself foundation. Thank you so much. If you have any questions on any products that we used today, feel free to leave it in the comments section below, and I'll definitely reach out to you. I'm so blessed and grateful for each and every one of my loyal subscribers. Now, if you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Yuri Lamasbella, and I'm so thankful you came across my channel. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. So again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bless me. Oh my god. I feel like I have to relearn this whole art. I don't know, match, foundation match, color match. I can't talk today. I don't know why.